Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, madame and monsieur, we are here yet again today with another watch unboxing from the Chinese company ATOWAK. I hope I'm pronouncing this correct. I have this on my two wrists. My previous two models that I bought from them. This was the first, the ATOWAK Tarantula, which, as you passionate watch people would easily know, has a complication that has been introduced for the very high-priced ATOWAK Swiss company with 3 revolving satellites for hours. And then, after some time, ATOWAK came out with this beautiful case, the spaceship, because indeed it looks like a international spaceship. Both of these watches have a Miyota 9000 series movement, and they modified it with these complications. This is pretty straightforward with the crown classic at the 3 o'clock. This is more special, except the beautiful case of the spaceship model. This crown has a special gear mechanism here, and you can pull it just a little bit and set up the time. But enough about the old models. Today I have received the latest model from ATOWAK, which is named the Core, and it should be a central tourbillon complication with an in-house manual winding movement, 5 days reserve. Let's start opening the package. I find this label very funny, as this should be a fully mechanical watch which should not contain any lithium batteries. But I think these are the rules for transportation, no matter what you're putting inside. Let's start having fun. The tourbillon is an extremely precise mechanical device that requires careful maintenance from you. To prevent damage to the movement, it is recommended to adjust the time in the clockwise direction. The crowns need to be rotated counterclockwise. Very well, very well. Drop it like it's hot. Cardboard boxes over cardboard boxes over cardboard boxes. Classically, this should be the manual. Blah 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 blah. Yes, all good and nice. We can put this back. Nothing really complicated here. And I suppose this is the second strap, which I think it's the red one, and it's the one that I am going to use it. I think it's identical with this one from the Tarantula, because the spaceship has different links here at the case. And for sure I will use the red one because it's nicer. Let's check out the box. Nice and shiny. Dum 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 dum. Come on, open. Oh my god, why won't you open? Anti-moisture silicate. What does this say? When adjusting the time, turn crown down. Okay. Very well, very well. What a nice piece. Central turbio complication. A very similar case with the tarantula, but the movement is really different. Yes, I know. You all want me to take off this plastic cover. Will do. So, through the magic of the pause video button, now the watch is unwrapped and with the red strap put on. As you can see, this is a very nice central tourbillon movement complication, which has on the back an open case. And if you look close and pay attention, there are 4 power barrels that you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4 power barrels, which should give us those 5 days of power reserve. Very nice piece from ATOWAK. Welcome to my collection and to my watch family. You shall be worn with pleasure every day for the rest of our lives together.